Hey, Mr. Josh, what you doing? I'm getting all the materials for my balloon race. Wait a second, and I'll show you. Here you go. What's this stuff?
Those are scissors, string, and a plastic straw. Tape and a balloon are on the table, too.
Good observation. We will use the scissors to cut the string. The string will be our racetrack. I will tie one end of the string up here. Next, I will cut the straw. It'll be like our race car.
Why did you cut the straw?
I cut it because I want a 6-centimeter straw. We will put the string through the little straw. Do you want to do it?
Sure, I'd love to.
Take your time. Be careful and don't drop that little straw.
What do we do if the straw falls off the string?
No worries. You'll just put the string through again. Next, we need tape. Stick that tape on the straw and balloon. The balloon is like the race car's engine.
It's not an engine.
You're right, but the balloon will stretch and hold the energy. The balloon has kinetic energy like an engine when we let it go.
Not right now. The balloon doesn't have air.
Again, you're right. I'll pump up the balloon. What energy is in stretched rubber?
Let me think. I guess it's elastic potential energy.
Exactly. Are you ready for our testable question?
Bring it on.
We will cut 3 strings the same length. There will be a high track, a middle track, and at last a low track. Also, I will use 3 balloons, all the same size. What balloon will go the fastest? High track balloon, middle track balloon, or the low track balloon?
That is a hard one. Well, did you say all the balloons are the same size?
Yes, I will stretch the balloons to 20 centimeters.
Okay, I think that the high track balloon will go the fastest.
Why?
Because the highest balloon will have more potential energy from gravity. It's higher up.
Good hypothesis. Do you want to test your hypothesis with me?
Yes, but only if I can hold and release the high balloon.
Deal.